Hey, what's going on, guys? Vega here from Serpent X Special Forces, and I opened up my Christmas present just a little bit early. Here we got the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now this isn't just a regular box that comes with just a camera only and the bases that you need. It's actually the holiday bundle, and I want to explain why I went with the GoPro Hero 8 instead of a mirrorless camera. First off, let's talk about what comes in this package. So we get the head strap, which I already have one of those from the Hero session, some stickers, some questions leading you to the GoPro website, how to connect everything, of course, talking about the GoPro Plus package, which is a monthly installment. You get to try it for 30 days free, and then an instruction manual, of course, the typical GoPro mount that we're so familiar with, a fixed point mount with a 3M tape, micro SD adapter, and 2 batteries. So one that we're recording with now, and then this one as a backup. Now I don't have the dual the 2 battery charger, but that's something we may get later on in the future. Now, why did I get the GoPro Hero 8 instead of a mirrorless camera? Well, the mirrorless camera, for what I wanted it to be and everything I wanted to make it work, would have required a capture card, depending on what kind of camera, like whether it takes, micro HDMI to regular HDMI and so on and so forth. That's some extra cost. Then I would have to get a special tripod for it, because I do have a gimbal, but it's for my cell phone, not for a camera. And then I would have to mount my microphone with a boom. So I would need the boom, the HDMI cable, the capture card, and whatever other little accessories I would need to finalize or really make that mirrorless camera work to my advantage. Also, this GoPro Hero 8 Black it may not be an upgrade for you or somebody that has the GoPro Hero 7, for example, and there's plenty of reviews on the GoPro Hero 8 because it's been out for quite some time, but the 7 and the 8 is very minute, or it's not as big of a jump as it is for me, who has the Hero Session at 1080, and it's the Hero Session 4. Jumping from 1080p to 4K or 2.7K, image stabilization, hyper smooth 2.0. It's a big jump for me, and plus, I use it for more than just a talking head video like this. For example, I do some spirited driving in a safe environment. Obviously, if you do engage in spirited driving or street racing or whatever the hell you want to call it, I would urge you to use caution. Don't be flying down a main road, a road with traffic, flying by a mom in her minivan with kids. That's stupid and dangerous. But if you do want to record, a track day on an official track, or maybe you hit the quarter mile, half mile, whatever, that is where the action camera comes in, right? If I get a mirrorless camera or a DSLR, I would have to get a special mount, and it just adds more to the cost. So this GoPro fit my needs for what I'm trying to do. Not only use it for maybe talking head videos, and yes, I have a webcam, which, by the way, I got a better webcam. I got the Logitech 4K camera. Still not using it as of yet, but I will in the future. But this GoPro will suit my needs, and it wasn't going to break the bank. Plus, it was a holiday gift. So when more and more accessories, because the GoPro family is going to have accessories for the 8, like the media mod, the roll cage, so on and so forth, that can be utilized. A little bit pricey for my taste, probably not even worth the investment, but it may be something that I look into in the future, and it would cost me less than it would to get a full mirrorless setup. So I'm going to be using this for a while. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Here's the video as you see it right now with low light, because it does have some type of low light compensation from my understanding, as well as the audio. And you can judge for yourself whether this is something you want to invest in or not. There's plenty of videos out there that talk about every little spec and detail, and they know cameras better than I do. So I would challenge you to check out those reviews. I just wanted to advise that the holiday bundle comes with these assortments. So do me a favor, hit the like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff that helps this channel out, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.